Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you an animated video tutorial.
There's not a soul out there, no one to hear my prayer.
Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag the footage to the timeline. Now everyone should use their own creativity for the video depending on the song. This is our version with interesting footage from Envato, and some very cool Filmora effects. For the first footage I've used the flash black effect. In this kind of songs it's important to find the right momentum for the transition when the drop hits. When the magical ball appears, right-click on the clip, go to Video, Crop and Zoom and select Pan and Zoom. Now make sure to select the object you want to scale. Drag the third footage, and in between choose a transition. I will search for explosion and select this special effects transition. Put it in between the two footages. You can speed it up if you feel the beat rising. I will add another effect and select the comic book effect. Now drag the last footage, adjust it as you like, and you can always add another cool effect. For this one I will use the magic swing effect. And lastly, add some transition between these two footages. I will use a glitch transition, which I got from Elements Envato. Change the blending mode to screen and adjust it to the middle. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.
There's not a soul out